students and all my viewers. I am Sapna CHAVAN. Welcome to the Shikshanacha Miti channel. I am here to teach you some important topics of science of standard 8th from CBSE pattern. Here I am focusing mainly on biology topics. From biology topics, our today's topic is crop production. And in crop production, we will include crop plants as a subtopic of this chapter. So the subject is biology and topic is a crop production. So I am writing here subject and topic. So subject is biology. Our topic is crop production. And in crop production, our subtopic is crop plants. Before going to the crop plants, I want to ask you one question. Why we need food? You all know that food is a basic need of human, right student? So why this food is important, so important? I am telling you, food gives us energy, help to grow us and repair and replaces the damaged cell in our body. Right students? Again I am repeating that why we need food. We need food because it gives us energy, nutrition, helps us to grow and keeps us healthy and repair and replaces the damaged cell of our body. That is importance of the food in our life. Food gives us nutrition which is obtained from plants and animals. So now go to the agriculture. So students, anyone know what is agriculture? See here, I am writing the definition of agriculture here. Agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture is a science which deals with the the growing plants or growing crops and rearing animals for the human use. That is the agricultural science. The science deals with the growing crops and rearing animals for human use. That is the agriculture. Rearing animals means raise the animals. Example of that we can see the poultry farming. Poultry farming. Poultry farming. Right students? So now this is the agriculture. Now agriculture began about 12,000 years back. Before that, humans used to eat raw fruits, vegetables and hunted animals as their food. After that, they discovered that planting any seed, they can grow the plants. They can grow the plants from which they could get the food from that, and they can fulfill the needs of their food. After that, they stop their searching of food here. They become farmers and settle in a farming community and started domesticating animals for their different purpose, like food or another purposes. So now, if we talk about world, about 40% of workforce is employed in agriculture, but this number is very large in case of our country, that is India. About 60% of workforce is employed in agriculture sector. Agriculture sector, right students? Agriculture change very slowly, but since there are so many advances are there, so now the change and good variety of plants and animals, the fertilizers used in farming are very good level, are in very good level. Then for protection of crop there is a fertilizers, insecticides and all. Then storage facility, now storage facility is very good. By all of this we can grow crops in better condition and better proportion. The green revolution, what about the green revolution? Green revolution is started in 1960s here. So now what is horticulture? Horticulture, what is horticulture? Horticulture is also the science which deals with the production of fruits, vegetables, decorating plants, decorating plants. Horticulture is also the science which deals with the production of fruits, vegetables and decorating plants here. This is same in so many cases as agriculture also. So now we are going to the crop plants. Our subtopic is crop plants. So now is anyone can say what is crop? Okay student, I will tell about crop here. Student, here I have one picture. You can see. What is this? This is farm. This is farm. So what is meant by crop? When we cultivate same kind of plant in large scale at one place, that is a crop. I am dusting here to write the definition of crop. Listen carefully student, because this topic is very important to study. So now what is crop? What is crop? The crop is when we cultivate when we cultivate same kind of plant in large scale at one place is called crop. Understand student? Clear? So what is crop? When we cultivate same kind of plant in large scale at one place, that is called as a crop. You can see in this picture one specific plant is growing or cultivating here in very large scale. That is the farm in one place. You can see here, that is the crop. Clear student? Now we are going to the classification of crops here. Before going to the classification of crop, you all know the cereals are very important in our life. Cereals like wheat and rice are included in our staple food. About maximum number of people used to eat wheat and rice in their meal. So cereals So cereals are cultivated as their purpose of nutritious seeds, like that means the food grains. That is the food grains, and examples are wheat, rice, many more examples. Then we will see the classification of crops here. So classification of crops on the basis of purpose and on the basis of season here. We will see here the classification. Classification of crop. One, according to purpose, according to purpose, and according to season. According to season. According to the purpose, there are 3 types of crop, and according to the season, there are 2 types of crops. So here, one, food crop, second one, cash crop, third one, plantation crop. So what is meant by the food crop? The crop which are going mainly to the human use or human food, as a human food. In example of that food crop is wheat, rice, beans, etc. Cash crop. Which are the cash crop? Those are grow or cultivated main for the cash purpose or main for the profit purpose. Those are called as a cash crop. In cash crop, the examples are sugarcane, cotton, etc. Sugarcane, cotton, etc. Now, plantation crops are planted or cultivated for the purpose that sale in the market. That means the plantation crop. And in the plantation crop, the examples are tea, coffee, etc. Tea, coffee, and etc. are the examples of the plantation crop. Now we are going to the crops which are classified according to the season. According to the season, we have 2 types of crops. One is kharif crop and second one is rabi crop. I am dusting it. First one is kharif crop. Second one is rabi crop. We will see about the kharif crop first. What are the kharif crops? Kharif crops are cultivated in the season of monsoon. And in India, the monsoon started from June to July, and it's last up to September, October. The kharif crop. The seeds of the kharif crop sown in the soil in about June and July, and they harvested in the end of the monsoon in the months of September and October. Kharif crops in the season are in rainy season. In rainy season they are cultivated, and the examples of kharif crop are cotton, soybean, and then rice. The plantation or cultivation of the rice having that much or so much water to produce this. So after the kharif crops there is a rabi crops. What are the rabi crops? Uh, Rabi crops. I will explain rabi crops here. Rabi crops. Rabi crops. Here, rabi crops. Here, rabi crops. The rabi crops are cultivated in the winter season, and in India, mainly the winter season starts from October and ends on March. And those rabi crops are sown. Seeds of these rabi crops are sown in the months of October, and they are harvested at the end of the March. So the examples of rabi crops are wheat, mustard, etc. are the examples of the rabi crop. So here students, I have one chart of some common crop plants grown in India. Can you see here? Okay, if you are not able to see this, I hang this chart here and explain it for you. So some common plants are growing in India. First one are cereals. The important cereals are wheat, paddy, maize, barley and ragi. Next is pulses. Pulses are also important. Gram, peas, beans are all the pulses. Then oilseed. What are the oilseeds? Which are the oilseeds? Oilseeds are mustard, groundnuts, sunflower. After that, root crops. Root crops are sweet potato. Then tuber crop. In tuber crop there is a potato. In sugar crop, sugar cane, beetroot. Then plantation crop. Plantation crop are tea, coffee and rubber here. Then at the last, fiber crops. Fiber crops include cotton and jute here. Okay. After that, we will go to the method of crop production here. Before going to the method of crop production, we will see the importance of crop production here. Now we are going to the method of crop production. So I am dusting it. Methods of crop production. It is recognized that now the importance of seed quality, fertilizers, pesticides and storage facilities are very important in production of the any crop or any plant here. So it is also recognized that in every crop need different type of soil and different types of nature according to their need, according to the need of the specific crop. For healthy growth of the plants, water, sunlight, soil texture is so much important, and main types of fertilizers, pesticides and protection from weeds also important. There are about 8 steps followed in the method of crop production here. Some of 8 topics are here, and I am writing here all 8 types, all 8 steps of the crop production, method of crop production. You all can see here students the 8 steps to follow in the methods of crop production. First one is preparation of soil. Second one is seed selection and sowing. Third one is manuring. Fourth one is irrigation. Fifth one is weeding. Fifth one is weeding, right? Then Sixth one is protection from pests and diseases. Pest and diseases also. Pest and diseases, harvesting, threshing, and last one is the storage. One by one we will see in detail the methods of the crop production. So we are going to the production of the preparation of the soil. What is importance of preparation of soil for the crop production? So now the preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is so much important because the fertility of soil is increases due to the preparation of soil. Preparation of soil by loosening and turning it. For preparation of soil, there must be turning and loosening soil is so much important. Soil uses nutrients, water, nitrogen to the plants, and due to the preparation of soil, insects like earthworm helps to keep the soil fertile. There are some important for the preparation of soil. Loosening and turning are basic and main in the agriculture. Loosening of the soil and turning of the soil is very much important. The importance of loosening and turning of the soil is very much there. First importance of loosening the preparation of soil by loosening and turning. Those both are very important in the preparation of soil. Due to that, very much advantages of that. By loosening and turning of the soil, the fertile level of the soil is coming up to the ground. And by loosening and turning, the soil having very much air in that, and it will gives very much, and it gives helps to the plants to grow. And it by loosening and turning the soil, there are increasing number of earthworm which helps to intact this texture of a fertile texture of soil. By loosening and turning, the plants can penetrate very deeply and can intact in that soil very firmly. Intact plants very firmly. It used to increase insects like earthworm. Increase number of earthworm. And helps to mix the fertilizer well in the loosened soil. Mix of fertilizer in soil in better proportion. Those are the advantages of the preparation of soil. After that, the sowing is the next step of that method of crop production. So all other next level we will study in the next video. First we will revise it in this. First I will revise all the topic which is included in this video. First, what we saw in this video, we saw the type crop plants. Crop plants are of two types according to the according to the purposes, according to the uh, season, according to the purposes, we have three types of crops. First one is cash crop, second one is plantation crop, and third one is food crop. In the according to the season, we saw about two types of crop, kharif crop and rabi crop. After that, we saw the methods of crop production, and in that we studied preparation of soil. Next topics or next levels, next methods we will see in the next video. I will give you some how we implement the methods of crop production is the homework for you all. You all know the steps followed in the method of crop production, so you have to write the implementation of that steps one by one. Here your question is homework question. Prepare chart of implementation of different steps of methods of crop production. I hope you all understand this topic in this video, and all my viewers and students, thanks for watching.